Hello everyone, it's Maddie here, and I'm coming to you from the Browhack studio. So today's tutorial is going to be based on using the mapping bow. This is amazing, a great tool for you, especially if you're having a hard time with the thread, keeping it straight or so. The bow is very simple to use. I do have a video on how to set up the bow. Definitely recommend watching it before even trying to set it up. So please listen to me. So the bow does come with 15 strings as well as 15 of the little sponge applicators. And the ink. It comes in white and also black. So whatever you choose, your choices. Okay. So the first thing you'll do basically is clean up your eyebrows. Keep them dry. I would say clean up with some alcohol, rubbing alcohol. And of course, keep your hair out of your face because you do not want to deal with that. Alrighty. So now that our eyebrows are clean, they're dry, they're ready to get mapped. Let's get our sponge applicator and our ink. So we're going to fold it like a taco and pour some ink on there. Alright. Grab your bow and just simply swap it on it. Okay? So the first lines are going to be the middle lines, okay? See how simple that was? A lot easier than just using the thread. This is actually very necessary in my opinion. It does come only on the Hacker Boss bundle, but you can also buy it separately. Okay, so your next line is going to be just straight on the bottom. So I like to go down, side, down, side. That does allow me to be more aligned and not miss my place. Also, I like to have my string tight so the whole belly part's not going to get the full line as I want it to be. I do like to re-applicate just to make sure that it's not going to be a little bit of ink and that I don't have to do it all over again. So just quick re-application of the ink. And now let's go for top. So just go right across with your eyebrows. And like I said, middle to the side, middle to the side. Perfect. And now let's get the arches. Okay, so to get the end of your eyebrow, we're going to go from your cupid's bow to the outside corner of your eye. Hold it. Now you're going to do the highest point. So for this part, you're going to go from the cupid's bow and then look directly into your mirror and go right cutting the middle of your eye. Okay? So to help guide you again with the mapping bowl, we're going to do a markdown of the dots, basically where they're going to meet to be able to get your perfect brow shape, okay? So this one right here, there's a line. Points. And then right here. Now this is your point. So from here to here to here, and here to here. Let's get the bow and make the marks. Of course, reapplicate just to be safe. Perfect. Now we'll do the other side. Great, so now all you have to do is just do your cleanup with your tweezers and also your razor. Use anything that is below and above the shape has to go. And of course, anything in the middle. Alrighty, thank you.